counting will take place on the 16th of next month. Electronic voting machines will be used in all these by-elections. And we have now established contact with our correspondent, Sarita Brara, for details on the new National Mineral Policy. Over to Sarita Brara.
There is a bit of rain and slight lightning. That is the disturbance that you are hearing, unlike the that roaring sound you were hearing in the daytime. That was recorded at around 12:30 or so, past 12:30, around 1 o'clock during the daytime. This is night time, and this is the same station, the same radio, same place. The only difference is that I have my PC switched on more than 4 meters from the radio when you are hearing that roaring sound.